by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that specializes in the highest quality of whiteboard walls available worldwide. Draw It Paint is constantly undergoing tests and procedures to ensure industry-leading, top-quality products with 3 selections to choose from. Recruit, Unique, and Limitless are guaranteed to suit all your dry erase paint needs. Do you think people get lost easily, especially with, large transactions?
Of course. People get lost easily through everything in life. Through going back to Instagram, people look at these pictures and they're like, oh, I wish that was my life. But that's not true. You have to learn to have these priorities right and learn to have the right relationships.
Yeah, definitely. Now that kind of concludes our real estate portion, and we'll move on to some fun stuff, some stuff about Boston, and your opinion on certain trends that we've seen. Now, what would you say is your favorite part about Boston, and are there any hidden gems that you'd like to share?
So one of my favorite parts about Boston is the Freedom Trail. Have you heard about it? So the Freedom Trail is this big 2 to 3 mile trail around the whole of Boston, red brick trail that will lead you to each of the most significant landmarks in Boston. So you can walk through places like Faneuil Hall, Boston Commons, Bunker Hill, all the great stuff, and you can learn a lot about Boston's culture, of Boston's history from that. And the best part is that it's completely free. I've never seen anything like that in different cities. I've been to 35 different countries. I haven't seen anything like that. Just a free guided tour of the most important monuments in the city. So I love that.